Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. So today I want to share with you an idea that I have for a Christmas DIY this year. So this is my boho style Christmas trees that I came up with to decorate in my home this year. And in this video, you'll see that I'm only using one poster board, one piece of styrofoam cone, burlap, yarn, nautical and jute rope, and also some hot glue. So come on in and let me show you how I made these Christmas trees. So the first thing I thought of, I needed to find something to give me a larger size cone shape, and I ended up using my charger plate and my placemat that I got off of my dining room table. So what I did was trace each circle onto the poster board. These are going to be the template for the two larger trees. And first I'm going to cut the larger circle in half, and then I'm going to take half of it, and make a cone shape with it. The other half, I'm going to cut it in half. And now I'm going to take one of those pieces, which should be a fourth of the large circle, and attach it to the cone shape that I made. And now at this point, I have only one piece of the large circle, which is the fourth that's left. And this is how I completed the largest tree by using those three pieces of the large circle. With the smaller circle, I pretty much did the same thing, but the one of my halves was a little off, but it still worked out. At this point, I have the large piece left from that large circle and the small piece from the smaller circle. So I'm going to take the larger piece and attach it to the small cone that I made from the smaller circle. Now this is going to be the top part of that cone, which will form the top part of the tree. It makes it a little taller. And now with the last piece of poster board that's left, I'm going to attach it to the one piece of styrofoam that is shaped like a cone, and this is going to be the smaller tree. And here, these are all of the items that I'm going to use to decorate. I'm using jute rope, this nautical rope from the Dollar Tree, also some yarn and Chanel yarn. These are from the Dollar Tree. And then also I have this burlap. Now I got this roll from Walmart because it was cheaper or better for me to buy the larger one. And then I'm just going to use, you can use different size of yarn. So however you would like to decorate, you can use these different items. And of course there are other items as well that you can decorate these trees. Now for this one, I'm going to use two different sizes and styles of the nautical rope from the Dollar Tree. And I'm using both of them on this one. I'm just going to hot glue it on, as you see I'm doing here. For my larger tree, I'm using 2 layers of the burlap that I've already pre-cut it here, and I'm going to hot glue it on to the cone shape. And then I'm going to decorate it with the Chanel yarn and make it look like it's garland. And of course, I'm just going to hot glue that on as well. And for the smallest tree, I chose to use this regular white yarn. And of course, I'm going to hot glue that on, and it's going to be completely white. But then I'm going to take some jute rope, the thinner jute rope, and just use it and put it on there in a random style to make it look like garland as well. For the toppers, I started to use these wooden style star that the Dollar Tree had, but I found these burlap flowers that they had in the Dollar Tree, and I thought these would be better toppers for these trees. Here is what they look like after I've completed, and I am overall satisfied with the way they came out, except for the fact that the toppers, I felt like they could sit up a little higher on there, but I had already hot glued them on, so I just decided to take them off with using my hairdryer. You can easily loosen hot glue. And then what I did was got barbecue skewers, and I cut them in a smaller size, and I attached that with the barbecue skewer on the larger tree. Now for the smaller two trees, I use a toothpick, and I just hot glue the flowers to the toothpick and then just stick them in there. And I feel that to me it just looks better because it sets the topper up a little higher at the tree. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed making these trees. And I hope also that this video is an inspiration for you guys to go ahead on and create your own trees and add your own touch to your Christmas decor this year. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, so you can get future notifications on all of the videos that I upload. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.